Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Forex Distance Indicator for MT5, right? So just check the description below to download the indicator. After doing that, proceed to add the indicator to your indicators folder for MT5. Okay, after that, get to your navigator and just refresh. Okay, and now we are going to look for the indicator. It's going to be the EF distance. Just drag and drop. These are the input settings. You can customize them according to your taste. So this is how the indicator looks like. As you can see, it helps to measure price movement using calculation with respect to the distance between price levels. Basically, you can see it just looks like an average, a moving average, right? And then when price is above the line, it's a bullish trend, obviously. And when you have price below the line, it's a bearish trend. Okay, but remember that you can always modify the smoothing depth, the averaging power, and the price constant. Okay, all these, right? And then you can see the horizontal shift of the indicators in bars, the vertical shift of the indicator in bars, right? So you can actually modify those and then tweak the sensitivity of the indicator a bit. All right, now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content in this channel. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.